guys, welcome back to our channel, where we deep dive into the world of digital marketing. Today we have something rather special for you. We're going to share 9 steps to building a Facebook ad that converts like crazy. So let's get started and create ads that truly disrupt the status quo. One of the critical components of a successful campaign is the ability to build great ads. Master that, and you'll be able to keep your campaigns fresh and innovative. That's what we are about to show you how to do. So, where are you supposed to start? The oh-so-crucial first step is to understand your campaign objective. Yeah, that may sound so obvious, but this step is like the captain of your ad ship. It sets the course, it determines the ship's vibe, it's the North Star guiding your ad in a creational journey. So before you even think about picking up that pen or typing it up on your keyboard, we've got to figure out why you're writing this ad in the first place. Are you aiming for brand awareness, introducing your products or services, generating inquiries, or maybe increasing online sales? It's important to define your objective clearly. Now, let's talk about step number 2, which is to understand your target audience. When it comes to understanding your audience, it can feel like being a mind-reading magician, decoding the hidden motivations of your customers and addressing the hidden secrets and questions that are swirling around in your customers' minds. So for this step, you're going to need to speak their language. Different audiences may have different needs, so you tailor your creative and objectives accordingly. Dive deep into their motivations and craft messages that make them go, wow, that is exactly what I have been waiting for. Think about what motivates each group. Discounts, benefits, lifestyle, or even confidence and trust. Let's move on. The third step is to decide on your offer. So, what's the deal, you ask? First things first, what is your offer? Is it a groundbreaking product, a life-changing service, or a mind-blowing experience? Secondly, answer the magical question of your audience. What's in it for me? Show your customers the fantastic benefits they'll enjoy if they take you up on your offer. But hey, let's not forget the most important part. Your offer should be the superhero that swoops in to solve your audience's problems, hopefully in sexy spandex. Whether it's saving time, solving a pesky challenge, or fulfilling a burning desire, make sure your offer is the ultimate problem solver. Excite them to click on your ad by choosing a compelling offer. It's important to choose one thing and focus only on that one thing to keep your ad clear and focused. Step 4, it's time to plan the copy and the creative. This is when you articulate your offer to your target audience. Write like you're talking to a friend on Facebook, but make sure to touch on all the pain points and offer a solution. The goal is to keep it personal and accountable. How do you do that? Well, that's where we move on to step number 5. Start writing your headline. Be clear and leave no room for misinterpretation or ambiguity. Put simply, your headline should say what people will get out of clicking on the ad or reading the ad copy. Does it entice people to read the ad copy? Does it entice them to click the ad link or otherwise engage with your ad towards your desired objective? Let's look at this ad as the example of a clear headline. This ad headline uses a simple and clear one. Open your store today, it's free. There is literally no room for misinterpretation or confusion right here. It is straight to the point, no fluff, no nothing. It grabs your attention faster than a cheetah chasing its lunch. To help you write your attention grabber, here are 4 questions to ask when you're writing a headline. Number 1, is this useful? Do people see the value in it? 2, is this unique? Does it promise a unique benefit? 3, is this urgent? Does it lead the audience to act now? 4, is this ultra specific? Does it use facts, figures, or statistics? Next up, the call to action. This should tie in with understanding the desired outcome for the ad. A CTA, or call to action, is the action you want the user to take and could be an add link button, a link in a page or post, or simply text that drives the user to do something. What do you want your viewer to do? Sign up, click, subscribe, or do a happy dance? Thank you. Decide on the action that you want and make it crystal clear. Be bold and really drive your audience and guide them to take that leap to action. If you're using a button in a Facebook ad, then you're also going to have the options such as learn more, sign up, contact us, get a quote, and more. So make sure the one you choose is pertinent to your message. Step 7 is to come up with a supporting text. Think of it like the Robin to your Batman when Batman is your headline. The important thing is that your copy should support the headline and the call to action. Nothing else. Be customer-centric and show the reader clearly how your product or service will benefit them, or more specifically, how the current ad objective will benefit them. Plainly state the advantage that the reader will get by signing up or purchasing or clicking, etc. Remember, you're talking to a friend here. Let's review the previous example and why it's a good supporting copy of the headline. The copy focuses on the benefits a business owner would get by opening up an online store on the site. The ad clearly states that if you want to open an online store, that it's easy to set up, it's free, and you can do it today. The ad copy gets right to the point and answers 2 questions the readers might have. Is it hard to set up a store? No. It's easy. Will it cost any money up front? No, it's free. Now, step number 8, creative design. This is where your imagination gets to run wild. Let your visuals speak volumes and complement your copy. It's like a symphony of colours and fonts and eye-catching graphics that make your ad a visual masterpiece. Before you jump into the design process, ask yourself a few questions. What's the offer? What do the headline and the copy say? Who is your target audience? What emotion or feeling do you want to convey? And finally, what text, if any, needs to be in the creative? Remember, choose fonts, colours, and images that align with your brand and messaging. Finally, we've reached the litmus test. Step number 9. It's at this point that you do need to put yourself in your target audience's shoes and ask, would I click this ad? Does it stand out in the newsfeed? Does it offer an irresistible benefit? If the answer is yes, then you're on the right track. If it's a no, take a step back and address the reasons behind it. That's it for today, guys. Building a jaw-dropping, mind-blowing ad does take a little bit of time and planning, my friends, but trust me, it's worth every ounce of effort. When you get it right, it's like a digital cash machine that just keeps on giving. So go out there and create ads that shake things up. Thank you for tuning into our channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and of course, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.